So in the film, as Akshay Khanna says that he wants to make the life hell of somebody who has the capacity of changing the game in cricket. So in real life, who do you think in today's time an Indian cricket team has the capacity to change the game?
I think Virat Kohli has capacity to change the game today. Correct me if I'm wrong.
100% Virat Kohli. Dhoni will always be there.
Dhoni will always be there.
Who can do anything in the last 2 overs.
So is Viraj inspired by Virat Kohli?
Not really, yeah. When the film was written, which is 2 years back, it wasn't written now. So it was written on India's top batsmen. So obviously a reference was like a Rohit Sharma and a Virat Kohli, kind of.
इसीलिए character का नाम Virat Sharma
Virat Sharma and not, Virat Kohli. And we didn't want to sensationalize it at all. It's just a fictitious name. And if the character draws resemblance to batsmen in the country who are doing really well, then that's what it is.
पहले मैच में पाकिस्तान के सामने 86, उसके बाद बांग्लादेश के सामने 124 और अब सेमीफाइनल में 94 नॉट आउट। विराट, जब भी तू बॉलर्स की पैंट उतारता है, नंगा होता हूं मैं।
So while shooting the film, Varun, which was the most difficult scene for you to perform? Because we heard that you got injured also while shooting.
A difficult scene to perform, I'd say, was I think a lot of the action pieces were difficult. They were not they're not comedy pieces or they're not pieces that you can do aram se. So acting while you're whether in a speedboat or whether you're on a bike or whether hanging off a helicopter is a little difficult. I mean, a new experience for me at least.
And what was the fun moment? What was the funniest part, or anything that behind the scenes? Because you had
The whole
Jacqueline
film
with
was
you.
fun. Yeah, the whole film was actually a lot of fun. Both of us genuinely had a lot of fun. When we shot with those lines, it was a discovery. When we shot on the motorcycle, it was a discovery.
Superb.
I think the fun moment that Varun and I really had was in the chopper. Honestly, that was fun because it was exciting. It was on the edge. Honestly, we could have got killed.
Three things about Varun that probably you discovered and no one knows.
He's a child. That's one thing. He's very innocent. And I think if I have to separate it, I'll say he's honest. And the third thing about Varun is he's got unbelievable amount of energy.
पहले उनके किसी काम का नहीं था, अब मेरे किसी काम का नहीं है।
देख कबीर, तू मुन्ना भाई होगा, लेकिन मैं सर्किट नहीं हूँ। तू बैटमैन होगा, लेकिन मैं बर्डमैन नहीं हूँ। तू हीरो होगा, लेकिन अब मैं भी हीरो। विराज को ढूंढकर वापस लेके आना पड़ेगा। मेरे नए इमेज का सवाल है।
और मेरे पुराने।
So three things about John that you discovered.
He doesn't party too much. I don't know why people feel John's a little bit of a bad boy. They feel sometimes in like the public feels. I feel that ये ऐसा होगा वैसे होगा.
Very true, huh?
I think yeah, they do. They feel he must be partying, which he doesn't. He doesn't at all. He's too disciplined. John eats a lot of food. A lot of food. People think he doesn't eat a lot of food. He eats a lot of food. He just eats the right kind of food.
But a lot.
A lot. And the third thing is that John has a lot of injuries.
Yeah, fantastic.
4 बोतल वोडका, काम मेरा रोज का, ना मुझे कोई रोके, ना किसी ने रोका सोस। हनी सिंह को ठोक दिया तूने? क्यों?
मुझे ये गाना पसंद नहीं है।
Let's clear this now. कौन से गाने सुनकर आपका टाइसन भारत है?
सब कुछ सिवाय मोहम्मद रफी और किशोर कुमार के।
मेरे जजमेंट में मीका और हनी एवरग्रीन।
One fitness mantra of John that you would like to adapt.
No matter what happens, he goes to the gym every day. No matter what. However long the day, however tiring the day, he will make sure he's going to the gym still.
Okay. One fitness secret of Varun, though you are a fitness expert yourself, but one fitness mantra of Varun.
I think Varun's always willing to learn. He never shies away from learning, and be it in the gym or be it any kind of fitness exercise or diet, he's always willing to learn. He always asks and he'll want to pick up the next best thing.